Adley. Oh, now you got the hiccups. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, hiccups. Big girl. Hi. Today is November 28th. You are 5 weeks and 3 days old. Daddy finally had to go back to work today, so we're home alone. Yep, hanging out. Mama's trying to fold laundry. And you're making noise and kicking. Okay, do some more. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Any smiles? You smile now sometimes. Adley. Hi, sweet girl. Oh, there's your legs. Kicking, kicking. Going for a run? Oh, is that a smile? Does hiccups make you grumpy? Oh. Going for a walk. Going for a walk.